You can quickly and conveniently combine individual clamping devices to form clamping device groups in the virtual clamping device library. In this example, we first select the clamping box. The automatic filter function is especially practical for assembly, because only those elements are offered for which the connections also actually fit together. We select the threaded rod and position it with predefined connection points. We do the same with clamps and the vise. The assembly is complete. Another tip: just specify a degree of freedom if you want to limit the direction of movement of movable elements, such as for this clamp.